I am Yogesh from Professional Training Institute. My friend Chetra will today talk about PIR sensor. So they are a student here and they are sharing their knowledge. Yeah, over to Chetra.
Hi everyone. Today my topic is PIR sensor. So anybody know what stands for PIR? It is passive infrared, and this passive infrared sensor is also known as pyroelectric sensor and IR sensor. So the function of this sensor is mainly to detect the motion, like the movement.
Okay, motion.
Yeah, movement. So in malls or any hotels, have you seen when you enter, the door automatically opens? Have you seen that? It's because of the motion. It detects your movement and it will opens automatically. So for this purpose we use motion detector, the motion sensor. So this is one of the sensor, that is PIR. Even we have a lot of other sensors to detect the motion, that is like ultrasonic, then microwave. These are the type of sensors which is detect the motion. So I am explaining only the PIR sensor, which is also used to detect the motion. So typical diagram of this PIR sensor looks like this.
What is full form of PIR sensor?
Passive infrared. Before that, have you seen a PIR sensor? No? Sir, do we have PIR sensor? It looks like this. There will be a cap like this. It's a plastic cap, white in color, and there will be 3 pins. This is VCC, this is ground, and this is the output pin. Okay, and even here we have two variable resistance inbuilt in that module, and one to control the sensitivity of the module, and one more to control the time delay. Okay, for example, now I am entering the mall, and it will open. It will open for some time. Within that time, I will go inside, and when it is over, it will close the door. This happens automatically because of the sensor. So now, I said there will be a cap, right? A white cap. Inside this cap, there will be a substance called pyroelectric metal. Pyroelectric. Okay. So the main function of this pyroelectric is that it will sense the energy. Like see, for example, we all are warm-blooded people, right? Like human beings, animals have warm blood. So we will radiate some energy, heat energy.
Thermodynamic.
Yeah, we radiate some energy, that is heat energy, but it is not visible to our eyes. That is called as infrared radiation. From your body, some radiation will be passing from your body. Everyone's body will pass some radiation. That is infrared radiation, which is invisible to our eyes. Okay. So this pyroelectric metal, what it will do is, it will absorb that IR radiation and it will convert into electrical signals. So this is not the PIR sensor, this is the ultrasound. This is one of the sensors which is
PIR also I am not finding it.
yeah. So this is one more type of the PIR sensor.
This one, no?
That one PIR.
Yes.
I think it's the.
Yeah, can you take one? Yeah, you can show otherwise email one. We are having this sensor in house. Where you see it here? Oh, see.
a cap over the surface, this white cap. Inside that, this pyroelectric they have molded it. Then pyroelectric metal, yeah. It will absorb IR radiation and it will convert into the electrical signals. So I said no variable resistance, two variable resistance. This one and this one. Can you see two orange? One for the sensitivity of that material and one for
What is the range of that? Like, if I want to sense it, actually, if I want to sense long, person is coming
Yeah.
from a long distance,
Yeah.
I can sense him nearby. What's the range?
No, see again, it depends on the designing of that module. Usually the range is, the detection range is 5 meter to 10 meter. The detection
See,
range.
one call from just that. They are telling, they are holding. They are telling
Okay.
they had.
Okay. So the detection range is 5 meter to 10 meter. So now if I draw the block diagram, there will be a sensor. This is PIR sensor. And inside is that pyroelectric substance is there, right? And here, inside this white cap, you have so many Fresnel lens. Have you heard of Fresnel lens?
No.
See, Fresnel lens is a thin material. It's a very thin material. It's inbuilt into the plastic. Okay, like this is a plastic substance. Then whitish. The whitish cap, it's a plastic substance, and this Fresnel lens are molded into it. Okay, and what is the use of this Fresnel lens is it will focus the IR radiations. So now. So here this Fresnel lens, it will focus the radiations. So for example, if a man passes, he enters this area, and this is an angle that is already set in that module, 110 degrees, 110 degree. Here if he is standing, the sensor will not sense. And if he is entering the detection range, now the sensor will sense because it has pyroelectric substance which accepts the radiation. This we have this human, like a person, he will be radiating heat energy will be there, no? That is accepted by this pyroelectric substance and it will be converted into electrical signals. Okay.
Does the sensor is sending something?
Sensor doesn't send anything.
Does not.
Our body will send some heat energy,
Hmm.
and that is called as IR radiation, which is invisible to our eyes.
Okay. But he is not sending anything.
Oh.
Sensor.
Sensor doesn't send anything. It will accept the IR radiation, and this sensor, like IPAR sensor, I told you that white cap. Inside that pyroelectric substance is there.
I see that.
That will accept the radiation and it will convert into the electrical signals, and inside this operation happens, then amplification and then conversion. So if the person is entering this angle, then it detects the motion, right? It detects the motion, and detecting the motion will be set as high. Okay, and if the person leaves this detection area, then it will set to 0.
Yeah, that I did. I did this experiment.
Yeah.
I connected this with light,
Yeah.
and when motion is happening,
Yeah, it
then
will glow.
then it glow. Otherwise, it turned off.
Yeah.
That I see, but how it works, that I don't know. Means it not sending any signal, you are saying.
PIR sensor will not send any signals. It will not generate any power because it's a passive device, right? And the name itself says passive infrared sensor.
Okay.
It's not an active device. So,
No, but say if I am generating more infrared and she is generating
this
less
is the
infrared.
drawback of that sensor. It cannot differentiate, okay, this is Prabhu, this is Dhanraj. It will accept as radiation only. If we are designing some, okay, for security purpose, we have designed one PIR sensor module here, and whoever enters it, you will get a signal. Okay, someone entered, but you will not come to know who has entered.
Can I detect the distance also, like how much distance the signal is coming?
Distance that I don't know, like 5 meter to 10 meters, and
I want to know whether it's 5 meter or 6 meter or 10 meter.
It will tell, this
Yeah.
sensor will tell that person is from this much.
that is what. Only with the sensor we can't do anything. We have to interface to the microcontroller. We can interface with any microcontroller. Here, which I learned is Arduino Uno. It is the simplest one. So I don't know, this sensor has 3 pins. When we interface this sensor with the microcontroller Arduino Uno, this is Arduino Uno mode. Okay, so VCC will be connected to the VCC pin of the microcontroller, and ground will be connected to the ground, and output will be connected to the digital. It will give digital outputs. Will be any of the pins. For example, 6. It will be, the output will be connected to 6th pin of the Arduino Uno. Then, if someone after that, we have to write the program. That is in, I don't know the program, it's coding. In that we will set what is the distance.
How to find distance? Distance we cannot find with nothing. Distance.
Distance.
How to find distance with this?
Just we can set the range, we cannot find the distance.
See, this is, for example, sensor is here and 100 meters. So this will be the distance, and if you enter that detection area, then only sensor will detect you.
Yeah, but if I enter at 15 meters, then
15 meter it will not sense you. Because it is designed for that particular area, like for that particular range.
you are not understanding. She is coming to kill me, okay? She is running and coming.
Yeah.
And I am having automatic gun. Okay. Can I use PIR sensor to shoot her? When she is near to 10 feet, I want to shoot her automatically.
I didn't get the question.
See, this is my range, okay?
Yeah.
So in this
You
angle, I
are PIR
want.
sensor.
No, I am important person. PIR sensor is somewhere there.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I am Prime Minister of India.
Yeah.
Okay, and the PIR sensor is here, and she is coming to kill me because like I took 10 rupees extra from her.
Yeah.
So she is running and coming with the gun or something or knife. But while having PIR sensor something, like if she come near to 10 feet, she will die because automatic gun is there. Can I use PIR sensor to detect? See, when she come in my zone, he will tell, yes, she came to kill you. Otherwise, get ready at 10 rupees.
Yeah.
Sir, how the
So how
sensor
do
will
you
get
know,
know
sir,
that
it's a-
I am only coming to kill? So many members are coming. No, sir. Everyone, it detects to everyone.
No, I am saying, and what I am asking, like range detection is not possible with this, right?
Range detection is possible, but not what you said.
Hmm.
See, here we have the sensor, like here we have the sensor, and till Dhanraj,
That is viewing angle. One is that viewing, this whatever you mark, this is called view angle.
this is angle, this is distance. Maybe till here.
This is view angle. View angle is fine. In view angle,
Yeah.
there are many points are possible. You cannot detect those points.
If I am killing,
Yes.
see, if I am killing with 40 meter,
Yeah.
so it can detect that I killed him like 40 meter, like 50
40
meter
meter,
distance.
50 meter, 100 meter.
Okay,
How?
you
it
said
can detect-
investigation purpose. and all.
Wherever, if I am coming here,
Yeah.
it can detect only 100 meter. Okay. entered already.
Yeah.
Within 100 meter, but I was stopped in 18 meter. So then it is telling that someone has standing within 18 meters. So
Sensor itself cannot detect the distance, but if you write some program like advanced
Yeah, what
program,
you will do in program? Program also cannot detect this. With this sensor.
definitely that program
This
is
sensor,
With that another sensor,
ultrasonic.
ultrasound sensor.
this we can do. Sir.
Yes. With this, he will tell the distance.
Yes, sir. Because now it will transfigure.
I know. I interpret all.
This, sir.
I interpret this also, that also. So that cannot tell the distance, but this can tell the distance.
So I got knowledge. So using with PIR sensor we cannot detect the distance, but using ultrasonic we can.
Yes.
It is sensor access only human or any other person or any other animal.
Whichever object radiates heat energy.
I think any motion.
Any motion like even animals if they pass, it will detect. Not only human, even
I
animals.
not checked with the. I not checked with the.
See, someone are coming like very skill. With the fraction of second they will reach. At that time it will sense how much. Like if someone
This is already set to a temperature range. So our body will have some temperature. So when it enters, this will detect because the temperature has gone beyond the temperature which is already set.
Okay, even lights are also produce heat.
Lights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sensor can accept this.
that make me.
Then I have a question. Whether it is a higher radiation from the bulb, is it higher radiation? If it is higher radiation, then it makes sense.
During night time, the light will be on. On the time also, the IR radiant will be sent the
That bulb says, yeah.
bulb send the
Sir, light bulb.
Hmm.
Will it radiate higher radiation? No.
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 See, light, it won't detect light is there or not. Okay, because when I did experiment, what I did in a on light also and off light also. Both it was working. So what I did is I put in one of my room that IR sensor in the corner. I was not moving, so that was not detecting. I was in the range itself. I was here somewhere in the viewing range only, somewhere here, but I was not moving, I was just idle. So it glowed for some time, and after that he accepted me. So, and I was not moving. But as soon as I move, it detects me. In the light and without light, both. I don't know what was the scientific reasons you will tell, but what is practical happen that I am saying. Light, I think light won't get in.
From light, it's radiation ultraviolet. And what is this sensor? So
This is also having inbuilt that PIR sensor, but it is not what she is asking. We are having that another one. This is for security. This for home we can put. We can put. This is also similar kind of device. We'll open and show you. 3:2. Yeah. Yeah, any other question to her? Done? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you learned today something. We will every Sunday we are having something excitement. So next Sunday also, next Saturday also we will have something. Okay. Have a nice day.